Most electric campers have one big problem. They make you worry about charging before you even start the adventure. But this camper completely changes the game. It charges itself while you drive, powers your entire campsite, and still gives you a luxury home on wheels. Meet the 2026 Changan Nevo Hunter E, a camper that might just redefine off-grid travel. Let's start with what this actually is, because the name alone confuses people. This is the Changan Phonjing RV. Some call it the Hunter RV, some call it the Peak View Camper, but underneath all those names is one simple idea. Take a genuinely tough 4x4 pickup chassis, the Changan Hunter. The exterior immediately grabs attention. Finished in a distinctive green paint, the Hunter E looks rugged but modern. The front fascia carries a futuristic appearance with sleek lighting, a bold grille, and strong body lines that make it look more like a premium SUV than a work truck. Despite carrying an entire living cabin, the proportions remain surprisingly balanced. The RV measures just under 6 meters long, making it compact enough for many roads where larger motorhomes struggle. Ground clearance sits around 215 to 220 millimeters, giving it confidence when traveling over uneven terrain. Heavy-duty will arch cladding protects the body from rocks and debris, while aluminum side steps make entering the camper much easier. Stepping inside, the transformation is remarkable. The kitchen continues the theme of maximizing every available inch. Although compact, it's equipped with everything needed for extended travel. A 50-liter refrigerator keeps drinks cold and food fresh for several days. Directly behind the cab is the main lounge. Comfortable sofa seating surrounds a lifting dining table, creating a welcoming place to eat, relax, play games, or simply enjoy a cup of coffee while looking outside. When nighttime arrives, the dining table lowers and the seating transforms into an additional bed measuring approximately 1 by 2 meters. This gives the camper flexibility for families or guests traveling together. Now, let's talk about one feature that many compact campers struggle to include: a proper bathroom. Despite its relatively compact footprint, the Hunter E manages to fit a complete wet bath. Inside, you'll find a molded sink, cassette toilet, integrated shower, storage compartments, and practical lighting. Having your own private bathroom dramatically increases travel freedom because you're no longer dependent on campground facilities. The camper also carries a 100-liter fresh water tank alongside a 50-liter gray water tank, providing enough capacity for several days of independent camping depending on usage. Its electric-based drivetrain also creates a quieter experience, both while driving and when parked. Without relying on a constantly running diesel engine, campsites become more peaceful, making mornings and evenings significantly more enjoyable. The main sleeping area sits above the driver's cab. Depending on configuration, the bed itself measures approximately 2 meters long and nearly 1.85 meters wide, offering generous sleeping space for 2 adults. Reading lights, storage pockets, and privacy curtains make it feel like a genuine bedroom rather than simply another sleeping platform. The elevated position also frees up valuable floor space below, allowing the living area to remain open throughout the day. Climate control has also received plenty of attention. The living area includes a dedicated RV air conditioner for cooling, while an integrated electric heater keeps the cabin comfortable during colder adventures. Pricing is another area where this camper becomes surprisingly competitive. Depending on roof style, battery configuration, and equipment level, factory export prices are expected to range from around $32,000 to $45,000 US, while highly equipped versions may climb above $50,000. The front cabin feels nothing like an ordinary pickup truck. Instead, it resembles a premium SUV. The dashboard features two large digital displays that create a clean, high-tech environment. The driver gets a fully digital instrument cluster, while the center display handles navigation, multimedia, vehicle information, and entertainment. Soft touch materials cover much of the dashboard, complemented by artificial leather upholstery and brushed metallic accents that elevate the overall atmosphere. Wireless phone charging keeps devices powered without cables, while a 540-degree panoramic camera system makes maneuvering this camper much easier, especially in tight campsites. An integrated dash cam also comes built in, adding an extra level of convenience and security. The combination of electric mobility and onboard power generation also means owners gain tremendous flexibility. Instead of simply transporting people, the vehicle becomes an energy source wherever it travels. That opens opportunities for campers, digital nomads, outdoor event organizers, photographers, drone operators, emergency response teams, and anyone who regularly works away from traditional infrastructure. The approach angle of around 29 degrees also helps when climbing steep trails or crossing obstacles, giving owners the confidence to explore beyond regular campgrounds. Move over to the driver's side and you'll discover the service area. This includes the fresh water filling point, battery charging ports, and access to remove the cassette toilet. Everything is grouped together neatly, making campsite setup and maintenance much easier. Electric propulsion, extended driving range, intelligent energy management, compact dimensions, factory integration, and true off-road capability are no longer separate ideas. They're all combined into one adventure-ready package. For travelers who want the freedom to leave crowded highways behind without sacrificing comfort, technology, or convenience, this camper makes a very convincing case. Whether you're chasing mountain sunrises, exploring hidden forest trails, working remotely beside a peaceful lake, or simply searching for a smarter way to travel, the Changan Nevo Hunter E proves that the future of adventure may not be bigger. It may simply be much smarter. Considering you're getting a factory-built electric four-wheel drive camper with modern technology, premium interior finishes, integrated living facilities, and advanced power capabilities, the overall value becomes quite compelling compared to many traditional motorhomes. The 2026 Changan Nevo Hunter E RV represents something bigger than just another camper release. It shows where the RV industry is heading. Electric propulsion, extended driving range, intelligent energy management, compact dimensions, factory integration, and true off-road capability are no longer separate ideas. They're all combined into one adventure-ready package.